Welcome to San Sebastian, one of the cultural centers of Europe, right here on the Spanish coast. The French, they are the masters of the language of love and cuisine. The Italians, it's art and design. The British, innovation and invention. And the Germans, well, the Germans are masters of the car, and especially the luxury car. And I bet you there's a luxury car that you want to own. The Germans have done it again. They bring us the brand new CLE. This is fast, it's furious, and it's very German. And the CLE has iconic design. It defines modern design, reflecting the philosophy of sensual purity that defines Mercedes-Benz. It has an amazing athletic appearance. Everything from this front shark nose end all the way into the LED lights, which are brand new. And you see this distinctive radiator grille look. It really contributes to the whole overall modern athletic feeling of the vehicle. Now, what's behind the wheel? Mercedes have introduced electrified driving to increase the thrills. It now becomes performance with a conscience. And when you're in the 450, we get two versions, by the way, in the United States, the 300 and the 450. You can put it in sport mode, put your foot down, and have a little fun on the Spanish motorways. Woohoo! On the inside, get ready for an unparalleled sense of space. This is the largest coupe in its class, and it means the rear seat passengers get more head, shoulder and knee room, because nobody likes knocked knees. When we're with our car, we spend most of our time on the interior, so a luxury space is an absolute must. The Mercedes-Benz MBUX system has become famous for the center point of its infotainment, and they've stepped it up in the CLE Coupe with a brand new 3.0 version of MBUX. Now, I like to have a concert in my cars, and the brand new Mercedes-Benz CLE lets me do that. Out of the 100 cars I drive every year, it's very hard to impress me. But the 3-litre version of this CLE definitely impressed me. In fact, it's made my best impressed list.
I'm Nik Miles.